Hi folks, Rick Berube here at Success Series at the Scottsdale office, Carolyn Boulevard, and I'm here with Christina Palermo doing an interview today at our Success Series. Yeah! Okay, and my question for you is, okay, you've been doing this a while.
Yes.
Experienced agent.
Yes, very.
Most of these people are brand new. If you could tell them the top 3 most important things to start thinking of right from the beginning, what would they be?
Right from the beginning, I would figure out a way to start lead generating and just do it. Regardless of how you feel, if you feel uncomfortable or not, pick something and just do it and be okay with it.
Love that one, which is another word for prospecting, lead generation. Perfect.
The second thing I would do is any kind of lead generating that you do, I would then go and follow up with that person. Figure out a way to track them and make sure you stay in contact with them because that's your future business. That's your VAC and that's your follow-up. And,
right.
What is it?
Virtual Agent Center.
No, 70% of your follow-up is your business?
Actually, almost 90%.
All right, so 90% of your business is going to come from your follow-up. So if you're going to go out and do all that work, follow up with it.
The fortune is in the follow-up. Okay, so that's the second one. Okay, and what would the third one be?
Third one is get out of your comfort zone like I'm doing right now and just go do it.
She's doing these videos outside her comfort zone.
And ask for help. There's a lot of really cool agents in this office and people will help you. You're in a great company. Berkshire Hathaway is awesome. Everybody here is helpful. Everybody wants you to be successful. So don't be afraid to ask. Just come and ask and somebody will definitely help you. I will help you. I'm here all the time. I live here.
Okay. And before we applaud, you can show the whole place. I was want to say you look incredibly young and thin today.